I'm starting off with the Kadence theme because I find that it's very lightweight and it is easy to work with. So here it is, and now I'm going to go to Starter Templates, and I'm going to look for a free template, and this is going to be a recipe slash DIY website. So food photography, maybe. Let's see what else they have. That might be good. This one might be good. And let's see, there's a lot of free themes in here. Okay, here's recipe blogs. So let's try that. So I'm going to click on it, and you can look around in here. There's a nice big hero image that I like. These are blog posts, which that's great. Shop, I'm probably going to have maybe some Amazon affiliates or whatever I can put in there. So I'll use a shop page and a newsletter. So that's fine. Let's see what the recipes look like. Yes. Okay, I really like the way this looks. And there's a nice recipe card layout. So this is great. So I'm not going to worry about this right now or this. I can do that later. I'm going to import the entire site. I already have a WordPress install in here, so I'm going to delete everything that's in here. And I'm going to be using Kadence Blocks, which is a required plugin, and that I already have. And then this recipe card block is what they are asking for, and I already have that, so that's good. I'm going to import the customizer settings and the contents. That's great. I'll have a great starter to work from. So I'll start importing. And now it's finished. We can take a look at our new site, and it looks great. It looks just like the template. So we're going to go back in here. First thing I want to do is check out the pages. These are all the pages that I'm going to need. I'm not going to delete any of them because they're all fine. Here's the recipe cards. There's already some recipes in here. These are short codes, and we'll talk about that later. And these are categories, I guess. We'll find that out. Okay. This is good. If we go to customize, this is where we're going to start to work on the header. So that will come up in the next video.